In this real review of TubeStorm, launching today, August 26, 2021 on Warrior Plus, from the desk of Johnny, Sasha, and Ray, our biggest traffic hack ever, with the headline, "You'll never have to worry about traffic ever again," revealed how we get unlimited free buyer traffic from Google and YouTube in 43 seconds flat, legally profit from other people's videos without lifting a finger. I'm going to give you my opinion and state a few facts based upon myself having 2 successful YouTube channels that doesn't rely on using other people's content. This is inside TubeStorm. I'm going to walk through this interface and show you exactly why you really don't need this interface, because all the tools that are inside of this interface are actually the tools that YouTube give you, or you can get them for free from readily available tools that real YouTube channels use to do YouTube. First and foremost, let's just start with TubeStorm. Click Start here. Clicking that button redirects you over to YouTube, takes you away from the dashboard to watch a video to welcome you to TubeStorm from Johnny Rose. So watch this 2-minute and 22-second video and then hit your back button to go back to the TubeStorm dashboard. And then once you're inside the dashboard, what you're supposed to do is click Social Accounts, and then you're supposed to import or connect your YouTube channel, because the idea here is to use TubeStorm to manage your YouTube channel, which this is 100% unnecessary. There is absolutely no benefit to this. As you can see, this is inside 30-minute marketing, the YouTube Studio dashboard, which everyone that does YouTube uses. And you can see here that I've installed a free Chrome extension. Allows you to do the other things that they claim you can do inside of TubeStorm that's going to make you all kinds of money by repurposing other people's videos. And to speak to that just real quick, simply come down here inside of your YouTube Studio dashboard, click on Copyright. Here you can see YouTube reporting everyone that is using my videos. And as you can see, for example, my Groove Cart review, you can see that Marissa Rowe is using this. She has 2 subscribers. You can see someone here is using my How to Make Money with Groove Funnels. You can see that they have 1 subscriber. You can see my Wave review and demo. You can see a person here, again, using my video. And YouTube is letting me know about this, but you can see they have 1 subscriber and they really are doing nothing. They're really getting no benefit from using my video. And if I want to, I can simply click here and request the video be removed by simply filling out this form, because it is my video. Now, when you come back to TubeStorm, if you scroll down to the trainings, there is a training video here, and this video is about 9 minutes. But the problem with this training video is they briefly cover the search function inside of the TubeStorm dashboard here, how to search YouTube for videos. But the issue here is they find a video here, this video right here, that they download and say to re-upload to your YouTube channel is actually not covered under Creative Commons. Now, what is Creative Commons? If you go to support.google.com, you can read about Creative Commons. This is a license that some people mark their YouTube videos with that gives a standard way for content creators to grant someone else permission to use their work. YouTube allows creators to mark their videos with Creative Commons license. If you mark your video with this license, you still retain copyright, but you're allowing creators to reuse your work in accordance with the terms of the license. So understand this license, understand when you're searching inside of YouTube or over here inside of TubeStorm, inside of their search engine. When you click on the search engine and you go to video, you can come in here and you can use their search engine to search for a video. For example, make money online. And then you can choose these parameters, for example, relevance, date, timing. Then you can come down here and select longitude and latitude and radius. No reason to have that whatsoever, no benefit. Come down here, and then what you can do is you can look for the license, Creative Commons, any, or standard, and you can hit search. Then as you can see, it returns a list of videos that at this point they are teaching you or telling you to download and then re-upload to your channel. So again, really no benefit here if you go to YouTube and you simply type in the YouTube search. That same search, make money online, then you come up here and you select filters. you can see that you can get the upload date, the type, the duration, the features, and you can sort by relevance, upload date, view count, rating. Again, under features, you can select Creative Commons. And once you do that, then you can see the videos that have been marked Creative Commons, and they've given you the right to use their videos. You'll see the results here are from John Crestani and from Ty Lopez. These are big brands. They have created their own content over the years. They have created their own authority on YouTube and other social media platforms. They do not care if you share their videos because they are so well branded. They are so well known. It benefits them to allow you to use their videos. They have made videos about this. They have made videos stating that you can freely use their videos. But again, it doesn't apply to every video. You have to actually select the Creative Commons, and then you have to make sure that the person that uploaded that video has the right to mark that content as Creative Commons, because if that content is owned by someone else, the Creative Commons license does not apply, meaning you cannot download it and re-upload it and use it as your own content on your channel. So back to TubeStorm, if you find a video that has Creative Commons and you want to download it, then TubeStorm is supposed to let you click here to download the video. And as you can see, it links you to a site, savefrom.net. Well, that's not the site they were linking to, but as you can see here, the discontinuation of service in the United States as of April 16th, 2020. As you may have heard, our industry has been under strenuous attacks by certain U.S. copyright holders. Because of these attacks, it has become financially impractical for SaveForm to continue to provide services in the United States. This website does not even work if you're in the U.S. because this has been taken down because of copyright strikes and people stealing other people's content, plain and simple. So they do not provide this service inside of the U.S. You would have to do something like set up a VPN to say you're from another country. If you are in the US, you can't even use the service that they link out to inside of TubeStorm. The rest of this is, again, Channel Manager, where you can like and comment on your YouTube channel. So if people comment, then you can automatically have it reply back. But the idea on YouTube really is about building a community and creating your own content and interacting with the people that reply and leave comments on your YouTube channel. So this stuff just absolutely doesn't matter. It doesn't work. This is not the way you build a real YouTube channel. Again, that is my opinion based on the fact that I have 2 successful YouTube channels and I manage them daily. Here you have upload videos. You click actions, and this literally just allows you to upload a video, which again, go back to your YouTube Studio dashboard. And you simply have all these features right here to upload videos or to create by simply creating the create button to upload videos, to go live, or to create posts. If you have that feature when you get it unlocked once you create a successful YouTube channel. And again, there's nothing else here. More auto reply, rank tracking. This basically just allows you to track the rank of your video. It's not important. You don't need it. Link wheel. This is basically just the ability to create a campaign, provide a link, and then have it linked to other links. So like a link rotator. But as of right now, August 26th, the day of launch, 2021, August 26th, 2021, the day of launch, select create campaign. This button doesn't even work. It links you back to the video manager. So this isn't even working. Again, click on trainings. They have this one video, which is the demo video that's freely available on the JV page. It's just basically 9 minutes showing you exactly what I've walked you through, how to click a button, how to import your YouTube channel, and how to use all these features. And again, these features are freely and readily available for you to use to create a successful YouTube channel by using the YouTube Studio or downloading free extensions like TubeBuddy or vidIQ. Then they have here, click here to download the training PDF guide. This is where it really gets good because what this is YouTube authority. And this is a guide on how to start and grow a successful YouTube channel for your business and brand. And nowhere inside of here does it talk about the strategy of downloading Creative Commons videos and reloading them up to your YouTube channel. And not to mention YouTube authority, this PDF guide is actually a PLR product. You can download this for free just by registering on any of the massive PLR sites out there. This was actually launched in 2019 by Aurelius Chen, and you can see the sales page here for YouTube Authority. again for this PLR. And I'm not saying anything about this PLR, but the simple fact is this PLR was written in 2019. And if you come in here and you type upload and you do a simple search, you will not find anything in here about re-uploading videos using Creative Commons. But you will find a good chapter, chapter 8, mistakes to avoid on your YouTube channel, and buying TubeStorm and using this concept of downloading other people's videos and re-uploading them to your YouTube channel is definitely a big mistake that you need to avoid if you want to learn how to use YouTube. Skip buying TubeStorm, and instead, if you want to learn how to use YouTube the real way, click on the video you see on the screen right now. So click it, watch it, I'll see you there, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.